Hi guys, welcome back to Naija News and Entertainment. BBNaija host Ebuka set to launch new TV show. Seasoned broadcast journalist Ebuka Obi-Uchendu, who rose to prominence after hosting Big Brother Naija reality TV show, has announced that he is working on soon-to-be-launched project Judging Matters. According to the media personality, who also doubles as a lawyer, Judging Matters is going to be a courtroom TV show. The 37-year-old Okija, Anambra native, revealed that on the show, real people with real cases would be judged in court with pure, unadulterated Naija drama. As an experienced program come TV show host, a project like this has been long anticipated and expected of him and could be termed overdue. As a lawyer and media personality, a TV show that has to do with law and media is just the best bet for the young chap. This is a welcome development in Nigerian media sphere come entertainment industry, as it is going to be novel and the first of its kind in the country. Sharing photographs taken at the facilities of Judging Matters, he wrote, "Who loves a good courtroom TV show? Would you watch real people with real cases being judged in court with pure, unadulterated Naija drama? Are you ready to start judging matters?" Ebuka made this known on Monday, April 13, 2020, on his official Instagram account. Alright guys, stay tuned to this channel to get more updates on the new reality TV show.